So you've made your reservation for cold plunge. It's your time. What are you going to do once you get in the room? So the first thing to do is get in here, and you're going to take a quick shower. We have all the shampoo, conditioner, face wash, all the things. Everything's organic and amazing, and get yourself rinsed off. And then you're going to take a towel. You want to sit on at least one towel in the sauna. The sauna is infrared, so you're going to get the benefits of the infrared sauna, and we do have red light therapy as well. So what I like to do is I get in the sauna and I tell Alexa to play the Wim Hof breathing. So that's all queued up over here. So we'll tell Alexa, play. And then it will start giving you the prompts for how to breathe. So this is an 11-minute program. Wim Hof is an internationally recognized expert on cold exposure. And so this is a really great way of breathing, where you do some really deep breaths and then breath holds. And for me, that gets my nervous system all prepared for the cold shock. So it takes about 11 minutes. I'm nice and toasty. I'm in the sauna. And then, of course, you're going to get out and just get into the cold plunge. The thing that I find the best is that I tell myself I'm not going to negotiate. I'm not going to get in gradually. I just get in right away. So you just get in, you sit down, and you stay in there for as long as you want. So no longer than 15 minutes, but really a minute is a good threshold, and 3, 5, whatever you can tolerate. We don't want you, getting hypothermia. Really important, do not put your face in the water. That can make you pass out, and then you'll slide under the water, and that's bad for everybody. So please don't do that. So then you're gonna get out of the cold, and then you can either get back in the sauna and get warm, or that can be a time where you just take a shower, get yourself back to your normal life if you want to heat your body up naturally, which is actually the best way for the deliberate cold exposure to give you optimum therapy. But if you're too cold, get in the sauna. That's perfectly fine. And then after that, just shower off, get yourself back to life. I just want to talk about the chemicals that are in the cold water. So we use ozone and hydrogen peroxide, so there are no lasting chemicals that are going to be sticking on you. There's no bromine, there's no chlorine, there's no yuckiness at all. And of course, we keep our water, we have it filtered constantly, chilled constantly. There is no ice in there. We have a chiller upstairs that is just making it really cold. So any questions you have, I'm here for you. Ask away.